in second separator, you have a separation, three-phase separation. So to me, if a LH level goes high, and if his operator is not able to take action in 5 minutes, so probably in 30 minutes, there is no major process upset.
No. What is the other layer of production? There is, it will go to the other abnormal condition. No, we go back to pin ready. Manu.
Well, interrupt is operation of the cold heater.
Here.
Yes.
Okay.
Because before I enter the second stage, I pass through the cold heater.
My pressure will come. My pressure will go high before going to there. Vessel pressure will go high.
Pressure will go. No,
So if
not
the
go high.
interface level go high, it will drop water in the oil compartment.
Yeah.
First.
But finally,
there are multiple cascade
So
items.
we will have oil contaminated with water, i.e. High water cut in the oil, leaving the first stage and feeding to the second stage. But the main concern here would be interrupt the crude heater functionality, because in this case, it will have high water cut, maybe not achieve the required target temperature, something like that.
Right. So you still want to keep to severity? I don't have any problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us not deviate. Let us not deviate.
Let's
So cross substance. Potential cross substance.
Let's put 2B as, because we cannot now deviate to this
Correct.
as of, right?
Yeah, we don't have any major important also. Why you want to debate it unnecessary? Yeah.
No.
At least
No.
We will not
see. Guru,
We are not now challenging the hazard and to be our session consistent with how the hazard.
Here it will be P1. This priority P1.
It will be P1.
Yeah.
See, our sizing
I
is
don't know.
always
Correct.
less than 5
See,
minutes,
till now we have received so many P1. So that means I'm worried about how to achieve
Yes,
the KP of 5%.
Yes. That is why I'm saying that.
You are working about the 5%.
So that is why I'm saying that let us correct our B2A. B2A. This is not possible because of high water level, and there is more severity. So I would say that let us make it P2, and by making AA.
This is all P1. If we follow this, all P1.
This will be low. Low and immediate. What is low and immediate? Low and immediate is P2. I will make a remark here. That we have corrected. The team has corrected. Team has corrected the severity level of 1.